Enabling screen distance on your iPhone 16 helps protect your eyes and reduce the risk of myopia by ensuring you maintain a healthy viewing distance from your device. Here's how it's done. To get started, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From your home screen, tap on the Settings app icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down or up to find Screen Time and then tap on it. In the Screen Time settings, find and tap on Screen Distance. Finally, tap the switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, this feature alerts you when holding the device too close. Typically, warnings appear after prolonged close distance viewing. This feature is particularly beneficial for children using the device, as access to the screen is restricted until proper viewing distance is maintained. You can change this setting at any time when needed. Just repeat the same steps to return to the Screen Time settings menu, and then make necessary adjustments to the screen distance toggle. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.